Where's Frank?
He downstairs.
Hey, bro, it's time to eat.
Yo, it's breakfast.
Hey.
Goddamn, he's amazing. The words won't faze him. A caveman that walks and cracks pavement. Hellacious and gracious. The magma's makeshift. Doing what I want, and I'm hopping in my spaceship. Tie the bow tie. Fix the full Windsor. This is just an insert. You could get the Hindenburg. Spend so much time writing rhymes that won't offend you. Now it's fuck you, I'll fuck your girl, and I will end you. Grenade palm and napalm your mom's mom. A teacher's salary, but my goons are game on. I've been iller, been killer, been thriller. Mike Jackson, chinchilla, colder than fur coats in the winter. A late bloomer, and oh man, you heard the rumor. Teaching a bunch of kids, this is not a tumor. Joey Frankenstein, I turned basic to grave shift. Shooting beast boys out the blammer like shapeshift. Goddamn, the words are just spam. Canned ham on a shelf in old Amsterdam. I've been luminous, a werewolf, I've been doing this. Give me a full moon in the track and I will ruin it. Your tracks are Manor, mine a Medusa. Stand still, one look will stone stupid. Alphabet soup, A to Yuzu stoop. Anxious roulette with the Russians, this is click click boom. Understand me? The face is John Candy. Write a bar down and they got 100 grand me. Annie, holy shit, did you catch that bitch? These double entendres leaving orphans rich. Dr. Robotnik with the Angbach kick. The final boss in an 8-bit cartridge kit. Remember this, you wanna mutilate, dismember ribs. And your bats will boomerang back like Guile kicks.
In case you ain't know that, it's creator the 08. I'm a mason with stone slabs encased in my gonads. By nature, I goes harder than glaciers that don't crack. Leaving the Appalachian trail of remains that set the skull, cause the brains I hold captive. Counteractively spitting my jaded revolt. Raps with Jaden and Joe Bats. Bakery dough flow with a crate full of gold wax. Money grip, no coin toss, blatantly throw facts. This is Reiki for the soul with insatiable soul claps. The untouchable clutch that be making your bones snap. Raps heal you with the breaks like breaking bones to reset them. You feeling your spirit shaking, that's taking your soul back. Basically hold that like hollow hands and a hologram. Rhyme twice as rotten as Rottingham and Rotterdam. I'm not a fan of the hogs of the London fog from the hash. Could blur the lens and a dash of the cop's body cam. I'm dropping shit hotter than popping a couple squats in the top of a furnace without burning my epidermal surfaces. So skin tight with the verses full of merciless insight. Keeping these players lost in the pinstripes and the jerseys. Leaving them more exhausted than twin pipes when I'm skirting. As far as putting in burners to walls, my can body cans. Keeping it choppy can, juicy with the color schemes. Probably can't fuck with you cause you be like my hobby saying. The opposite of water, I rock with a brick of mortar. No stopping the rigor mortis. This sergeant that gets to slaughter it. You politicking harder than Jesse the body van. Turbo doing uncut interviews at the Gotti fam. I'm inappropriately getting open with it yet. Ever so cleverly proper when I chop a champ in the chunks of a chump. Problem is, most of you folks claiming you opiate, knowing for sure you folks is not poppy plant.
Yo,
You better eat your vegetables, synthetic edibles, since they took your medical for your decimals. It's time to enhance your skeletal. You're living life so one-dimensional. You seeing dimensions off of them chemicals. Well, I got vitamins and minerals. You know that I'm not bragging, I just mean in general. Spider-Man versus Venom, I could grab the mic with my tentacles. Kick some syllables, lyrical rituals for the liberals and aboriginals. The way they do our race is fucking critical. The society is pitiful. Gathering the force, but the force is changing its course, trying to reinforce my metaphysical. They never see the principles. They're fucking egotistical. Yo, let me keep it greasy. It's the voyage style. I do this shit so easy. I hit him with a blow. I kick it like I'm Kung Lao or Kung Pao. The Uzu click is taking over any drum sound. The sky always talks to me. Looking at the sun and moon, if they had legs, they'd probably walk to me. Pardon me, you probably get the point if you was as sharp as me. Just like some throwing knives or some arrows like I mastered archery. The dark is still a part of me. Looking at the light, the boy is taking flight like the silver wings of a skarmory. Piercing through your armory with the force of an avalanche. With my wand like the prisoner of Azkaban. Coming with the master plans and master glands and stretch them like elastic bands. Yes, I am the last to stand, only because I grabbed my chance. And you know that this nigga's higher than a crowbat. I take my soul back, then I shift the pose back, shifting just like Bojack. And I'm coming with a new flow, with a new groove, just like Cusco. The energy makes you move slow. The energy can improve growth. That's why eventually I confuse most.